We use PowerPoint presentations on everyday basis. But do you know you can generate a PowerPoint presentation from ChatGPT also? While it doesn't work in very straightforward way, but now I'll show you one option using ChatGPT and Canva. How can you create a new PowerPoint presentation? Now, hope you know that how to open ChatGPT. If you are not aware how to use ChatGPT, I have a different video where I detailed that all the features, how can you use it so that you can utilize. Here what I have done, I have logged into the chat.openai.com and I logged in my ChatGPT account. It's a paid version and that's why I'm using GPT-4. But you can use GPT 3.5. Paid version is not required in case you want to generate a PPT using ChatGPT. So what I've done, I now copied one of the prompt which I wrote earlier. I was testing it out today morning and I'll show you what are those results. Let me paste it here. I would like to create a PowerPoint presentation that covers what artificial intelligence is and how generative AI fits into the broader subject of AI. Additionally, I want to include all the major LLM currently in use and worth exploring. Please provide me some key pointers using which I can incorporate into the presentation. So that's the net. I'm asking ChatGPT to provide me some of the details, contents, so that I can use those pointers initially to start my PowerPoint presentation, and then I can fine tune as per the requirement. So let me hit enter and see how it comes up with. So you can see that now it started generating this particular pointers. So slide by slide, it's giving me options that what are the things I can cover in each slide, under which heading, certain 3 or 4 points, and sometimes it's 2 also it's providing. Now what do we need to do? We need to fine tune this particular responses a bit, and then we'll be able to utilize in Canva. So let me show you how it works. Once it will complete this generation, then I will show you. But before that, let me ask ChatGPT, can it create a PowerPoint presentation right away from this prompt only or not? Okay, so what I'm asking that please generate a PowerPoint presentation using these inputs, and let's see how it comes up. You can see it's mentioning that creating a PowerPoint presentation directly is beyond my current capabilities. So it will not be able to generate. So I stopped that response now. That's why now Canva comes into picture. Using Canva, we can do that. But let me first prepare our data set and then we'll go to Canva. Now, whenever mentioning data set, what I'm talking about, let me show you. So today morning only, I was checking on this particular topic, and let me show you so that without wasting much time, I can show you that what are the responses I got and how I'm going to use it in Canva. I've asked the same question using the same prompt that I am looking for a PPT and I need the content, and I received this particular responses. You can see under 4 different headings or 5 headings, it gave me certain details. But whenever I received those details, it was in a bullet point format. Now I am looking for a paragraph type of a thing so that it will be easily integrated with Canva. So now after that prompt that give me 4 lines of text as a single paragraph for each topic, and it gave me those text also under each heading. But initially it gave me for only 4 points: introduction, generative AI, LLM, and conclusion. But only a 4-pager PPT will not be good. So I am looking for at least a 7-pager. So that's why I asked separately that please add 3 more topics along with the description text. All 4 points mentioned above and additional 3 points will be used in a presentation together. Please give me a revised response so that whenever additional 3 points will come, those should be also in sync with the other 4, right? So that's the way I asked this question. Then I got this particular response. Now the main point is what we need to do. We need to separate out heading and the description text, because in Canva I'll show you why I'm asking that. So that's why I again asked one prompt that please list down topic, heading, and description text separately as 2 different lists. Let's see after that how it respond. It gave me the topic headings, but when it gave me the description text, again it added those topic heading, which I don't want. I want only headings here and then this particular description text under each of the topic. Again, I stopped that generation in midway, and then I asked the same thing. Please list down topic heading and description text separately as 2 different lists. Don't include the heading again while listing down description text. Now it understood properly and it gave me 2 different lists. One is that only topic headings and second one is all description text. Now this is what we need. Now let me show you the steps to be followed. What I'll do, I'll just copy this text. These are my heading, and I'll open Excel here. You can use any of the spreadsheet application. It can be Google Sheet also, and anything else. So what I'll do, I'll paste those text as normal text. So and these are the topic heading, and I'll save this particular file as heading text and it will be a CSV file, comma separated file. I'll create it as a CSV. Now this is one. Now second thing, I'll also copy all this description text and that will be also similarly saved as a CSV file. Now I renamed it as description. Again, it will be a CSV saved. Now this is done. Now what I'll do, I'll open Canva, and Canva is one app that is for the designing requirement, the best one available in the market as of now, and you can do loads of things. You can see I have an account, so that's why it auto logged in. And what I'll do, I'll search one thing here, that is presentation template for AI. I tried it earlier, so that's why it's showing in my history. So you can also use the same way, and then it will show you that what are the available templates are there. If I use this one, maybe AI tool, it looks a bit similar that whatever we are looking for, and then it will show you all those options. What are the slides are there? Maybe I'm looking for this type of a slide where I'll be able to utilize. So I'll click on customize this template. Now this can be done while this is a pro design. You can also find out a free design within Canva. Then you don't need any subscription or any membership for that. But Canva also have a pro version. I think Indian rupees, it costs some 500 rupees per month. This is worth spending this money. So I'll add one maybe link in the description below. It will be an affiliate link using which you can sign up for a free trial, and then if you want to use, you can use it. Just one disclaimer, if you are clicking that link and taking the subscription, I may get some of the commissions, but that will not cost you any additional money. Now, if I click on this customize this template, then Canva will open all those slides which are there in this particular template. You can see it's already there, on slide is already added, and few other slides which type of slide we are looking for, those are here. So let me add this particular slide which I am looking for, and what I want to do, I want to add my description text here in place of this particular main text body. What I'll do, I'll just rename it as, maybe add this particular text as a value. Next step is I will go to this bulk create. If you are new to Canva, then you may not see this particular option here. For that, you need to go to apps, and there you'll be able to find bulk create. Now you can see bulk create is here, or else you can search also here as maybe bulk create, and then you will be able to find. Right. So if I click on that, it will give me some prompt, and here it will ask for a upload CSV. So what I'm going to do, I'll upload my description CSV because that's the main text. I'll upload the description CSV and then click on open. So what it does, it uploaded that. And next point is I will click on this text, and where I need to add those text automatically. Now, initial time you are thinking, okay, it's taking bit more time, but if you think that you need to create a 10-pager PPT, 15-pager PPT, or maybe you are recording a course where maybe 50-pager PPT will be there, and it will be very, very time consuming if you want to do it manually. So instead of that, so clicking on this particular text box, go to these 3 dots, and then there is one option, connect data. If you click on that, then it will show you the current CSV, whatever we already uploaded. I'll click on that, and now you can see it is adding the text here. Now, one problem is you can see that this text is getting overlapped. So what I'll do, I'll just reduce the font size a bit, maybe 25, and now it is within that. And once it is done, you are okay with all the text and other things, we'll click on continue. Now you can see it already picked up the text from that CSV file, that there are other 5 points also, and then I'll click on generate 5 design. So what it will do, it will create 5 slides using that CSV. So let me click on that, and it will create quickly. If you see, it's now generating those slides. You can see these slides are ready. First one is on the normal description, next one is on LLM, third one, the next topic. So it created all 5 slides. And now only thing is that you can edit as per your requirement. You can change the headings manually. Earlier I was checking that if I can upload headings also separately or not, but it seems that it's taking only one input whenever I'm creating as a bulk create. But I think changing the heading with those text which are available in the CSV readily, it will be a very quick job of 2-3 minutes, right? But this is the way you can use ChatGPT and Canva to create any of the PPT. Once it is done, you can go to share and click on download, and there you can download in any other format you are looking for. You can download it as PPTX, and then you can do the remaining editing in Microsoft Office, right? And also as a PDF directly you can do that. But Canva is a very, very powerful tool. You can do all of your editing here. Is very, very easy to use, and I've been using it for quite long, and it's one of the software maybe I cannot live without. So now you know how to create a PPT file using ChatGPT and Canva. If you are interested to know how can you configure ChatGPT with your own data, then check this particular video. It will give you all required details.